Charlie, isn't it so boring that we only see advertisements on this stupid TV?
Well, what better is there to do, Anna? I'll go make some popcorn.
Do you love the taste of beans, but hate the smell of them? And do you love the smell of strawberries, but hate the taste of them? Buy strawberry scented beans. Only $9.99. Get them on your local black market today. 40-year shelf life guarantee.
Yuck! That's repulsive!
Are you constantly bothered by your little brothers and sisters annoying the heck out of you? Buy America's #1 product, sibling spray. One spray, siblings away. Yay! Hey, little brother, come over here.
Hi, big brother!
Sibling repel. One spray, siblings away. Yay! Buy today at the black market for only $90.99.
What? I'm not interested.
You wanted to take world domination, but you know you don't have the resources, and everybody is calling you crazy. They say no, but we say yes. Buy feral weasels today. They can take over any landmass in the course of 5 days. Meet our weasel master. He will teach you the ways of the weasel.
I will teach you the ways of the weasel, my friends.
Let's demonstrate these weasels' powers.
Attack feral weasels!
Buy feral weasels today for only $4.99. Trade sold separately.
I'm probably stronger than them.
Has somebody ever pulled a prank on you? Well, I know the perfect way to get back at them. Send them an innocent little bar of soap, but in the shower, it'll traumatize them for life.
Available on cockroach, bedbug, beetle, stickbug, ant, bee, spider, praying mantis, wasp, and hornet. Perfect way to get back at your friends. Revenge soap. Buy today.
Would cheat on me all the time, and then I gave her revenge soap. Now she'll never step into a shower ever again.
Ugh, I hope no one does that to me.
Are you really annoyed by the way your dog's feet look? Buy severed feet. And do you have really cool shoes, but you can't fit in them anymore? Buy severed feet. Our severed feet vary from size 5 to size 15. You can get them extra smooth or extra wrinkly.
I'm tired and bored of seeing these stupid advertisements. Why can't there be something sensible on TV? Whoa. Ah!
So this is who I have to be. Well, first thing, I have to get rid of those dogs. I hate those little elephant beasts. There. I'm afraid I cannot feed you. I have important things to do.
I got popcorn!
Hello, boyfriend.
What? Since when?
So, I'm gonna go to the grocery store. Bye.
Okay, by Anna?
Breaking news, the Los Angeles bank is being robbed by local townfolk Anna Phillips. She came in with a firing blowtorch, threatening to kill all the people that were in the building if she didn't get her $10,000 in the span of 1 minute. 5 people were injured from burn wounds, and one person may be dead. My name is Rachel Simmons from Channel 5.
Hey! Tell me,
Tell you what,
who are you?
you know,
No.
and
Okay, and then when's your birthday?
you're so forgetful.
No, please, tell me. Think of it as me quizzing you.
I have someone to meet.
No, I won't let you rob another bank and kill another guard.
No.
Detective Oliver, as the greatest detective in California, we put you on the cases of the bank robbery and disappearance of Anna Phillips of Washington Avenue, 1342.
Good, I was already investigating the bank robbery. I saw footprints and they led to that house.
I see.
I'll be there in a minute. That's it. That's it. You came home from work, got popcorn. When you came back, she was gone.
No, it looked like she was here, but she was acting crazy. It's not like her to do something like that. I've known her since preschool. She would never pretend to be someone else.
When did you get popcorn and why?
I think we were watching ads, and do you want some popcorn?
Yes, please, and I'll take a look at the TV to see what happened. No. Trust.
Back to being bored.
Oh no. I think some sort of creature came out of the TV and your roommate got sucked in. We need to fight it.
With guns?
Good idea.
Hey, Anna, come see this!
Remember that I didn't stand up.
We did it! We won! What do we do to celebrate now? Oh no.
This is my girlfriend!
So we have a demon from the TV. No other doors. Have we turned off them from the TV?
Just do it!
The outfitters. Hasta la vista. Demon. Here's all that's left of the demon.
What? Whoa! Whoa! Anna!
I'm out.
You got sucked into the TV. That's crazy.
I know. Come on, let's move it.
Yeah.
There, we did it! Yay!
Wow, my work's done here. Bye, Detective Oliver. Yay!